Hello, how are you all everyone? Today talked EJD Airlines online checking system, how to check EJD Airlines. So this is my YouTube channel Engineer Shahjan. This channel only airlines video uploaded. So subscribe my channel and watch this video. EJDR for at first Google Chrome browser open here, then typing here EJDR web check-in. And then many links showing here. So first link, third link, same link, ejdr.com. So third link click here, flyej.com. Third link, check-in baggage EJet. This link click here. Just wait, slowly open. Just wait. Yes, this is EJD Airlines website. Slowly open. Open page. So then check-in click here. Many options showing. So check-in manage click here. Check-in and manage. Click then online check-in click here. Online check-in then English. Another tab open. So this is the checking page. At first, surname, last name typing here, then piano number typing here, then OK click here. Then fill up your information, passport number, passport country, passport expire date. Then next page, seat select, manually seat select or randomly seat select. Then finally your boarding pass showing. Download your boarding pass or print your boarding pass. Then airport. Thank you all everyone. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.